Welcome students, today's topic is unit number 8. Title of unit number 8 is Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement. Pakistan Movement means Tehreek-e-Pakistan. Today we will do comprehension and paragraph comprehension of the unit. Class 10, subject English. Coming to lesson number 8, Women's Role in Pakistan Movement. Question number 1. How did Quaid-e-Azam empower and emancipate the Muslim women of the subcontinent? Empowered means by ikhtiyar karna. Emancipate आज़ादी या रिहाई दिलाना. Quaid-e-Azam empowered and emancipated the Muslim women of the subcontinent by declaring them equal partners of men. He made it clear that a separate homeland could be achieved only if women worked side by side with men. He stressed that women should participate in all the political activities. So, Quaid-e-Azam empowered and emancipated the Muslim women. He empowered. Quaid-e-Azam was a person who empowered and emancipated the Muslim women of subcontinent by declaring them equal partners of men. मुस्लिम ख़वातीन को मर्दों के शरीक इक्वल पार्टनर्स बराबर की शरीक कहा. ही मेड इट क्लियर दैट अ सेपरेट होमलैंड कुड बी अचीव्ड ओनली. उन्होंने इस बात को वाज़ेह किया कि सेपरेट होमलैंड अलग मुल्क तभी हासिल करना मुमकिन हो सकता है इफ़ वुमेन वर्कड साइड बाय साइड विद मैन, अगर ख़वातीन मर्दों के शाना बशाना काम करें. He stressed that women should participate in all political activities और ख़वातीन को तमाम सियासी सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लेना चाहिए. Question number 2. How did Begum Fatima, the principal of Jinnah Islamia College, mobilize female students? बेगम फ़ातिमा ने किस तरह फ़ीमेल स्टूडेंट्स को मोबिलाइज़ किया, मुतहर्रिक किया. उन्होंने किस तरह उनको पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट के लिए मुतहर्रिक किया. बेगम फ़ातिमा, the principal of Jinnah Islamia College, knew that students of colleges could play an important role in the formation of a new homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. In order to achieve this goal, she decided to mobilize the students of her college. For this purpose, she invited Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah to her college in 1942 to address them. Begum Fatima invited Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah to her college to address them. Them means to address the students of her college, to mobilize them, to motivate them for Pakistan movement. Question number 3. Why did Quaid-e-Azam stress the importance of women as equal partners of men in the creation of separate homeland for Muslims? Quaid-e-Azam क्यों इस बात पर ज़ोर देते हैं that women as equal partners of men, कि ख़वातीन मर्दों की बराबर की शरीक हैं in the creation of a separate homeland of Muslims, मुसलमानों के लिए एक अलग मुल्क बनाने में ख़वातीन मर्दों के शरीक हैं. इस बात पर Quaid-e-Azam, इस बात की अहमियत पर Quaid-e-Azam क्यों ज़ोर देते हैं, क्यों ज़ोर दिया. Quaid-e-Azam stressed the importance of women as equal partners of men because he knew that a nation could not make progress without its women. He was of the opinion that a separate homeland for Muslims could not be achieved without active participation of women in the struggle. He made it clear that a woman was men's friend and they together could build up homes, families and nations. Quaid-e-Azam stressed the importance of women as equal partners of men because he knew that a nation could not make progress without its women. Because Quaid-e-Azam knew the importance of that thing, that a nation cannot progress, एक कौम कभी भी तरक्की नहीं कर सकती ख़वातीन की शराकत दारी के बग़ैर. He was of the opinion, उनकी ये राय थी, that a separate homeland for Muslims could not be achieved, कि मुसलमानों का अलग मुल्क तब तक हासिल नहीं किया जा सकता विदाउट एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ वुमेन इन द स्ट्रगल, अगर इस जद्दोजहद में ख़वातीन का हिस्सा ना हो, अगर वो पार्टिसिपेशन उनकी शराकत दारी ना हो. He made it clear that a woman was men's friend and they together could build up homes, families and nation. मर्द और औरत मिलकर ही घर, ख़ानदान और कौमें बनाते हैं. Question number 4. Describe the role of women in Pakistan movement highlighting their love and aspiration for the new homeland. Describe the role of women in Pakistan movement. ख़वातीन का किरदार तहरीक पाकिस्तान में इसको बयान करें. Highlight their love and aspiration for the new homeland. और उनकी मुल्क के लिए मोहब्बत और उसको हासिल करने की तमन्ना, एस्पिरेशन और आरज़ू के बारे में भी बताएं. Women made great contribution towards the Pakistan movement. They made all kinds of sacrifices for achieving a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. They traveled from place to place in order to mobilize the people. They participated side by side with men in different protests and demonstrations. Women made great contribution. उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा साथ दिया towards the Pakistan movement. They made all kinds of sacrifices. उन्होंने हर तरह की कुर्बानी दी for achieving a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. They traveled. उन्होंने सफ़र किया from place to place in order to mobilize the people. उन्होंने हर place to place in order to mobilize the people. उन्होंने जगह जगह सफ़र तय किए ताकि वो लोगों को मोबलाइज़ मुतहरिक कर सकें. तहरीक पाकिस्तान के लिए लोगों को मुतहरिक करने के लिए उन्होंने हर जगह जगह सफ़र किए. They participated side by side with men in different protest and demonstration. इसके अलावा उन्होंने मर्दों के साथ शाना बशाना तमाम प्रोटेस्ट, एहतजाज एंड डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन, मुजाहिरों में भी उनका साथ दिया. ख़वातीन ने बहुत सारे एहतजाज और मुजाहिरों में भी मर्दों का साथ दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Analyze the third paragraph of the lesson Women's Role in the Pakistan Movement and identify the sentences that support the main idea through cause and effect. Cause and effect means action and reaction. So, when an action is done, what will be its reaction? The following sentences support the main idea through cause and effect. Number 1. The real game changer was the Muslim League session at Patna in 1938. So, the Muslim League session was cause and effect was it was a real game changer. So, this sentence shows the cause and effect. Quaid-e-Azam created the All India Muslim Women's Subcommittee of the Muslim League. So, Quaid-e-Azam is the cause for creating, it is the effect, All India Muslim Women's Subcommittee of Muslim League. Number 3. By the mid-40s, a galaxy of women had emerged in the leadership role of the Muslim League. By the mid-40s, a galaxy of women had emerged in the leadership role of the Muslim League. So, it was the cause and it is the effect in this sentence. Now coming to question number 6. What ideas and issues have been explored in the fifth paragraph of the text, Women's Role in Pakistan Movement? So, in fifth paragraph, what is the idea and what are the issues explored, or you can say explained in the fifth paragraph? The main idea discussed in the fifth paragraph is the election of 1946. So, the main idea which is explained in fifth paragraph is the election of 1946. Muslim League won all the Muslim seats in the provincial election of Punjab, but they were excluded from the formation of the provincial government. The result of that unjust decision was massive demonstrations in which both men and women took active participation. So the fifth paragraph is based on the election of 1946, and Muslim League won all the Muslim seats in the provincial election of Punjab. मुस्लिम लीग ने तमाम मुस्लिम नशिस्तें जीती इन प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन ऑफ पंजाब. पंजाब के सूबाई इलेक्शन में मुस्लिम लीग ने तमाम मुसलमान नशिस्तें जीत लीं. बट दे वर एक्सक्लूडेड फ्राम द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट. लेकिन सूबाई हुकूमत बनाते वक्त उनको बेदखल कर दिया गया, उनको बाहर निकाल दिया गया. द रिज़ल्ट ऑफ दैट अनजस्ट डिसीजन, द रिज़ल्ट इसके नतीजे में, द अनजस्ट डिसीजन, अनजस्ट मीन्स नाइंसाफ़ी वाला फ़ैसला, नाइंसाफ़ी वाले फ़ैसले के नतीजे में वॉज मैसिव, मैसिव मीन्स ह्यूज, बड़े पैमाने पर डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन, मुजाहिरे हुए इन विच बोथ मैन एंड वुमेन टुक एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन, जिसमें तमाम मर्दों और ख़वातीन ने एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया. नाउ कमिंग टू पैराग्राफ comprehension. Paragraph comprehension. This paragraph is taken from page number 76. It is the end paragraph. It is the last paragraph of page number 76. When the parliamentary, and it ends on page number 77, the starting few lines, a theocratic state. So the paragraph is taken from page number 76. Questions. What was the duty of parliamentary board formed? So why the parliamentary board was formed? What was the duty of parliamentary board? The duty of parliamentary board was to negotiate with other parties for the formation of a government in Punjab. The duty of parliamentary board की duty थी to negotiate, मुज़ाकरात करे, बातचीत करे with other parties for the formation of a government in Punjab. Question number 2. What was the role of representative to the USA? What was the role of representative? Representatives means नुमाइंदे. To USA. USA यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका में जब नुमाइंदे भेजे गए, उनका क्या किरदार था? The role of the representative to the USA was to attend the International Herald Tribune forum. Moreover, he or she was to play the role of presenting the case for a separate homeland for the Muslims. So the representatives, जो नुमाइंदे गए थे to attend International Herald Tribune forum, so their role was to present the case for a separate homeland for the Muslims, कि वो अपना मुकदमा पेश करें अपने मुसलमानों के एक अलग मुल्क के लिए. Question number 3. Whom did the Qaid-e-Azam send to attend the International Herald Tribune forum in USA? Qaid-e-Azam ने किसको International Herald Tribune forum में भेजा? The Qaid-e-Azam sent जहाँ आरा शाहनवाज and M.A.H. Isfahani to attend the International Herald Tribune Forum in USA. कायद-ए-आज़म ने जहाँ आरा शाहनवाज और M.A.H. इस्फहानी को इंटरनेशनल हेरल्ड ट्राइब्यून फोरम में रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स के तौर पर भेजा. Question number 4. What propaganda was spread by the Hindus against the Muslims? हिंदुओं ने मुसलमानों के ख़िलाफ़ क्या प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाया? The Hindus spread the propaganda that the Muslims were reactionaries who wanted to create a theocratic state. हिंदुओं ने मुसलमानों के ख़िलाफ़ प्रोपेगेंडा किया कि मुसलमान रजत पसंद हैं और वो अपनी एक मज़हबी सल्तनत बनाना चाहते हैं, एक मज़हबी मुल्क बनाना चाहते हैं. What parts of speech are the bold words? Formation. Formation is a noun. Present. It is a verb. It is an action word. Nominated. It is a verb. It is an action word. Theocratic is an adjective. It qualifies noun. So it was a paragraph which was comprehended. It was taken from unit number 8. Coming to activity, your activity is that write paragraph comprehension and learn comprehension. You have to write paragraph comprehension in your copies and you will get notes for comprehension, but you have to learn comprehension.